Again, may nagtanong uli kung ang senior citizen ay dapat bigyan ng senior citizen discount sa condominium dues or homeowner dues. So itong mga privileges na ito na binibigay sa senior citizens natin ay bigay ng Section 4-A of Republic Act 7432 as amended by Republic Act 9994, otherwise known as the Expanded Senior Citizens Act. At ito ay nagbibigay ng 20% discount and exemption from the value-added tax sa mga goods and services na dito sa ating bansa. At dito ay kinategorize ng batas na insofar as condominium dues or home ownership dues, homeowners dues, they do not fall under any of the categories of goods and services and utilities mentioned in the law. So, because wala sila sa enumeration, there are at least 9 enumerations dito kung ano ang pwede. 1, purchase of medicines, including purchase of influenza and pneumococcal vaccines. 2, professional fees of attending physicians in all private hospitals, medical facilities, outpatient clinics, and home health care services. 3, professional fees of licensed professional health providers. 4, medical and dental services. 5, actual fare for transportation, travel in public utility vehicles. 6, actual transportation for fare or domestic or transport services. 7, utilization of services in hotels and similar lodging establishments, restaurants, and recreation centers. 8, admissions on theaters, cinema houses, and concerts, circuses, leisure, and amusement places. And 9, funeral and burial services for the death of a senior citizen. So wala po dito sa batas na nagsasabi na ang senior citizen ay entitled to a discount sa condominium fees or homeowners association fees.